Hey everyone, this is Anthony with Printavo. I'm here to show you how to connect Printavo to Google Sheets using Zapier. Now this is going to be a very important tool for you to export certain information from all of the new invoices that you create within your Printavo to have it in one place, such as Google Sheets. So let's get started. So here we're already in our Zapier account. We'll go ahead and choose our trigger app. Printavo is going to be our trigger app that we want to use, so we'll go and search for it there. The trigger we want to use is going to be the new quote and invoice. Select that and go to save and continue. Here we've already set up our account, but to connect your account, you're going to click on that button there. You're going to enter in the email you use to log into your Printavo account, and then you're going to get the API token that's located. If you go to My Account and in Shop Information, you can just copy and paste that information here and click Yes to continue. Since we've already done that here, we're already connected, so we'll select this Printavo account here. We'll test it just to make sure that it's working, and it is a success. We'll go ahead and hit save and continue. Here, we're going to pull in samples just to make sure that everything is orderly. You can see what is being pulled from Printavo and just make sure everything looks good. So if we look here, all the information from that order is going to be shown. You're going to see the public URL. You're going to see other information such as the customer information, address, things like that on this test. So just look it over, just make sure everything looks good, nothing looks out of the ordinary. We can go ahead and click on continue. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and select an action step. So here, of course, we want to go ahead and put this information into Google Sheets. So from here, we'll go ahead and select Google Sheets. If we go to my Google Sheets, I've already created a form here, Printavo to Sheets, and I've added some attributes that we want to record. So the visual ID, which is going to be the invoice number that we want here, the public URL, so the public invoice, a quick link to that, the full name of the customer that is going to be on this invoice, and the order nickname. That's the information that we're going to choose here. You can always customize this to pull any information that you like, so you can definitely make it work to however you want it to do. So we'll go back to Zapier here, and we'll go ahead and create a spreadsheet row in a specific spreadsheet. So we'll go ahead and hit save and continue. We're going to go ahead and connect an account. We're going to go ahead and connect to the existing account that we have set up here. We're going to log into our our Google Sheets account. So we'll go ahead and use that. Allow access. And now that we have that, we just want to test it just to make sure everything's good. That is a success, so we'll go ahead and hit save and continue. And so from here, you're going to select which spreadsheet that you want to update. So going back to this one, it's Printavo to Sheets. So if we click the drop down here, it'll load all of the sheets that you have in your account. So here we show Printavo to Sheets. And then the worksheet, that's going to be sheet 1. And then here are the columns that we've already labeled that I showed you previously. And so we're going to map the different values of what is in the invoice of what we want to go here. So this visual ID, we click this add button. We have a visual ID here. It's referred to the visual ID in Zapier, but it's going to be the invoice number. So we'll go ahead and click that. Public URL, again, the URL for the public invoice. It's going to be right here if we scroll all the way down. Public URL. Full name, we're going to want the full name of the customer, so customer full name, and then the order nickname right there. So we'll select all of those fields, hit continue, and then from there we'll send a test to Google Sheets to make sure that everything is working correctly. And a test spreadsheet row was sent to Google Sheets right now, and it looks like it was successful. So we go ahead and click on finish, name our Zap, we'll name this Printavo to Sheets. And then from there, we'll go ahead and turn it on. Once this is on, any new invoice or quote that you create in your Printavo will then be transferred to the Google Sheets that you have set up here. And as you can see, here's the sample that we have set up. Again, this is fully customizable, so whatever information you want, you can just create the column here in the Google Sheets, and then you can set up what information gets sent through Zapier. If you have any questions or comments, please shoot us an email at support@printavo.com. Thank you, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.